What is Chetana? Chetana is consciousness, awareness. I am, I am. Mind has 4 states. One is the consciousness, awareness, Chetana. And the second is Avachetana. The third is Achetana. And then there is one thing more which is called as Atichetana. Chetana, Avachetana, Achetana and Atichetana. What is Chetana? Chetana is consciousness, awareness. I am, I exist. This is Chetana. We are all aware that we are sitting here to study the Bhagavad Gita. We are aware of ourselves. We are aware of our body, we are aware of our existence, and we are aware of 3 things: space, time, and causation. All these 3 are inherent in our awareness. But behind this Chetana, awareness, there is Avachetana. There is an experience that is felt within myself. It is called as subconscious in modern psychology. We feel or we experience this Avachetana, the subconscious state, when we dream. When we have dreams, we experience this. That means mind is still functioning in dream. And then there is Achetana. The mind is not felt, but it is still there. It is the unconscious state. It is in a state of suspension, as it were. So when we are in deep sleep, the mind is there, but it does not have any movements. Some yogis say, catch that mind. If you can catch that mind which is watching you sleep, then you have won the race. Because then you will know that whatever is around you is nothing but a dream. Just as you have dream in Avachetana, in the subconscious, so also what you are dreaming now, what you are experiencing now is a dream. Anyway, we will come to that much later. Yogis say there is mind also has another state that is called as Atichetana. In Mandukya Karika, one of the Upanishads, it talks about the Turiya Avastha, the super conscious state. It's called as Asamprajnata Samadhi in the Yoga Sutras. So these deep-rooted, this is just for our academic information, these deep-rooted desires, Manogatan Kaman, are hidden actually in the Avachetana, that is in the subconscious mind, and the Achetana, the unconscious mind. It's all hidden over there. And an aspirant tries to remove these desires hidden in the subconscious levels by tapas. What is tapas? Tapas is heating, warming up. When you warm up the syringe, for example, nowadays we use disposable ones, but in olden days we used to use the glass syringes. So when you heat up the syringe, what happens? All the bacteria die. So also, when we heat up our inner being, as it were, when we energize our inner being, then all these deep-rooted desires which are lying in the unconscious and the subconscious levels are burnt down, as it were. Dagda Bijavat says the Upanishads, it will be like the burnt seed. Only an appearance of a seed is there, but if you touch it, it is nothing but ashes. So, what we need to do in our life, in spiritual life, is to find out the secret of somehow catching this unconscious mind and then raise it, take it by hand as it were, and then raise it to the level of the super conscious state. When you have the super conscious state, you will see that all of the trials and tribulations that we experience appears just like a child's play.